All right, guys, let's roll off 14, 15, and 16 in this video. So we look at this particular question. It says an example of self material in an adult human female is what? So we know self is within the organism. It shouldn't be anything that is external, which is non-self. So we look at this. Pollen inhaled from flowers in her garden. Well, that's clearly coming from something else, so it can't be A. Sperm cells present in her reproductive tract due to sexual reproduction. We know sperm cells come from males, not females. We get rid of B. Cells lining her nose and trachea. That belongs to her, so C looks to be the right one. And malarial parasites inside her red blood cells looking at pathogens and foreign material. That is not hers. That is not D. Therefore, C is correct. Question 15. The first line of defense against pathogens include... So the first line, and we know the first line is non-specific immunity, so it's nothing specific. We know the activation of helper T cells are specific. We know the release of histamine is specific to allergies, and we know the production of interferon from virus-infected cells is also a specific response. Therefore, B is the presence of acid in the stomach, that barrier. So therefore, B is the answer here. Question 16, an example of a non-specific response by the immune system. So non-specific. Phagocytes engulfing non-self material. Phagocytes don't discriminate. They just do, and it's a version of non-specific. So A is. Cytotoxic T cells, again, with the specific immune response. Production of memory T cells, again, a specific response. And cloning of B cells to produce plasma cells is also a specific response. So the whole idea here is to match up non-specific response with what is non-specific. Therefore, A is the answer here.